Welcome to How to Solve. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use Google Drive. So if you don't have an idea of what this platform is, please keep on watching and please don't skip the video so you won't miss any tips. So Google Drive is a cloud storage and file backup service provided by Google. It allows users to store files, documents, photos, and videos in the cloud, and it is accessible from any device with an internet connection. Google Drive offers a free storage space to users with the option to purchase additional storage if needed. So when you sign up for a Google account, you automatically receive 15 gig of free storage on Google Drive, which is shared across various Google services like Gmail and Google Photos. You can access Google Drive through a web interface or by using dedicated apps available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Google Drive offers various storage plans beyond the free 15 gig, including options for 100 gig, 200 gig, 2 terabytes, 10 terabytes, 20 terabytes, and 30 terabytes with corresponding monthly subscription fees. So these plans provide additional storage space for personal or business use. Google Drive offers several benefits that makes it a popular choice for individuals, teams, and businesses. And here are some key benefits of using Google Drive. First is ample storage space. So Google Drive provides 15 gig of free storage space for every Google account. This generous amount allows you to store a significant number of files, documents, photos, and videos without worrying about running out of space. Additionally, Google offers various paid storage plans for users who require additional storage capacity. Secondly, it is easily accessible. So with Google Drive, you can access your files from anywhere using any device with an internet connection. Whether you are working on a computer, smartphone, or tablet, you can log into your Google account and access your files on the go. This accessibility is particularly useful when you need to work remotely or share files with others. And then, file synchronization. Google Drive's file synchronization feature ensures that your files are always updated across multiple devices. So when you make changes to a file on one device, those changes are automatically synced and reflected in the file stored on Google Drive and other connected devices. So this eliminates the need to manually transfer files between devices and ensures that you are working with the most recent version of your files. Fourth is seamless collaboration. Google Drives facilitates collaboration by allowing multiple users to work on the same document simultaneously. So you can share files or folders with others, grant different levels of access like view, comment, or edit, and track changes made by collaborators. So real-time collaboration enables efficient teamwork and eliminates the need for back and forth file exchanges. Lastly is security and data protection. So did you know that Google Drive takes data security seriously? It employs industry standard encryption protocols to protect your files during transfer and storage. Additionally, Google's infrastructure includes advanced security features and undergoes regular audits to ensure data protection. Google Drive also allows you to set file level permissions and control who can edit, view, or share your files. And now that you know the benefits of Google Drive, let's now hop into its features. So Google Drive offers a wide range of features to enhance file storage, organization, collaboration, and productivity. Here are some key features of Google Drive. First is to open your Chrome browser or Safari, and then search for googledrive.com. Then, if you already have an account with Google, you can easily access Google Drive. So Google Drive is also available on Play Store and App Store. So you can get it and download it on your phone if you do not have a laptop or computer. So going back to the Google Drive on the web, first that you can do with Google Drive is to upload a file. And to do that, you will see a plus button here. Click on that. And here you can create a new folder, upload a single file or folder upload. And then on the bottom, you will see different document types. Here you can create a blank Google Docs, Google Sheets, slides, forms, and more. And once you create a document from any of those, it will automatically save in your Google Drive. Next, since one of the benefits of Google Drive is allowing users to organize files, I'm going to show you how to create a folder. So in Google Drive, folders are used to organize and categorize your files and documents. They provide a way to group related files together and make it easier to locate and manage your content. Once again, click the plus new button and here click on the new folder. And then you will need to name your folder. So once you're done, you can actually drop existing files in your Google Drive to your new folder, or you can also upload a single file from your computer. Next will be the search field. The search field in the Google Drive allows you to quickly find specific files and folders based on various search parameters. It offers powerful search capabilities to help you locate your content efficiently. So click on the search field to activate it and then enter your search query. And as you start typing, Google Drive will automatically suggest search results based on your query. So these suggestions may include files, folders, or even specific types of content like documents, images, or videos. You can refine your search by using specific search parameters or operators. And here are some examples. You can enter relevant keywords to search for files or folders with matching names, titles, or content. You can also include specific file type extensions to narrow down the search. So for example, to find only PDF files, type PDF in the search field. You can also use ownership filters. So to search for files owned by a specific person, enter the owner's username or the owner's email address. And then, lastly, you can use shared with me filter by just entering shared with me to view files and folders that have been shared with you by others. So as you type, Google Drive will dynamically display search results based on your query. So the search results will update in real time, helping you find the desired files or folders. Next feature will be the quick access that we can see on the Google Drive's homepage. So the quick access in Google Drive is a feature that uses machine learning algorithms to predict and display files that you are likely to need or access frequently. It appears as a section at the top of the Google Drive's homepage, displaying a dynamically generated list of files based on your usage pattern and relevant activity. So quick access uses various factors to determine the files that are displayed, such as recent activity. Files that you have recently accessed or modified are likely to appear in quick access. And then the frequency of access, which is files that you regularly open or work on, are given priority and displayed here in quick access. And next is the collaborative files. So if you frequently collaborate with others on certain files or have shared files with you, they may shown in quick access. And then lastly is the time of day and context. So Google Drive takes into account the time of day, your work patterns, and the context of your usage to determine the files that are most relevant to you at a given time. So amazing, right? So quick access is a dynamic and updates itself based on your usage patterns and activity. So it learns from your behavior and adapts over time to provide you with more accurate and relevant suggestions. So basically, quick access in Google Drive is designed to save you time and provide quick access to the files you need the most. It aims to streamline your workflow by surfacing relevant files and reducing the time spent searching for them. And then moving on, there's also what we call Drive. So in Google Drive, the Drive view refers to the main interface where you can see and manage all your files and folders. It provides an organized and views of your content, allowing you to navigate through your files and perform various actions. And here's an overview of the Drive view in Google Drive. So the Drive displays your files and folders in a familiar file explorer-like interface. So the main section of the screen shows a list or grid of files and folders, depending on the selected view option. By default, files and folders are sorted alphabetically, with folders appearing before files. So you can change the sorting order by clicking on the Sort button or using the View menu options, allowing you to sort by name, date modified, file size, or other criteria. So you can switch between different view options to customize how your files are displayed. So the available view options typically include Grid View, which displays files and folders as thumbnails or icons in a grid layout, providing a visual representation of your content. Next is the List View, which represents files and folders as a detailed list, showing additional information such as file names, sizes, and modification dates. And then we have the Compact View, which condenses the file list by displaying only essential information, optimizing screen space for larger file collections. And next feature is sharing links with people or groups. So in Google Drive, you can easily share files and folders with individuals or groups by generating shareable links. So these links allow others to access and view your content with customizable permissions to control what actions they can perform. So here's how you can share links with people and groups in Google Drive. So from your homepage or folders, locate the file or folder that you want to share. You can also navigate through your Drive or use the search functionality to find the specific item. So right-click on the file or folder that you want to share, and a menu of options will appear. So from the menu, select Share. A sharing dialog box will open, presenting you with different sharing options. So in the people field, enter the email addresses of the individuals or groups that you want to share the file or folder with. And if you want to share with a group, you can enter the group's email address or select it from your contacts. And then from here, choose the appropriate access level for the recipients. So we have three options. So first is the viewer, which allows recipients to view the file or folder but not make changes. And then the commenter, which allows recipients to view the file or folder and leave comments. And lastly is editor, which allows recipients to view and edit the file or folder. You can also choose to copy the shareable link directly from the sharing dialog box by clicking on the copy link button. This link can be shared via other means like messaging apps or embedded in a website. So the recipients can click on the shared link to access the file or folder. Depending on the access level you granted, they can view, comment on, or edit the content. You can also manage and monitor the sharing settings by revisiting the sharing dialog box. So from there, you can change the access level, remove access for specific individuals or groups, or disable the shareable link. So once you've selected the recipients and access levels, click on the send button. This will send an email notifications to the recipients containing a link to the shared file or folder. And next is view details. So in Google Drive, the view details actions allows you to access and view detailed information about a specific file or folder. It provides an overview of the file's properties, activity, sharing settings, and version history. Locate the file or folder for which you want to view details so you can navigate through your drive or use the search functionality to find the specific item. So right-click on the file or folder and a menu of options will appear. So from the menu, select View Details and a side panel will open on the right side of the screen, displaying the detailed information about the selected file or folder. So the Details tab in the side panel provides an overview of various properties and settings, including the file or folder name, which displays the name of the file or folder. Then the file type, which indicates the type of file, for example, if it is document, spreadsheet, image, etc. And then next is size, which specifies the file or folder size. We also have storage used. Then location, which shows the path of the file or folder within Google Drive's folder structure. And then next is owner, which identifies the Google account associated with the ownership of the file or folder. We also have last modified, which shows the date and time when the file or folder was last modified. It also shows the last time it was opened and created. And lastly is the download permissions, which displays the access level and the list of individuals or groups with whom the file or folder is shared. And then the caption tracks. Then as you can see, behind the Details tab, we also have the Activity tab. So the Activity tab in the side panel displays a chronological list of actions and events related to the file or folder. This includes recent edits, comments, shares, and other relevant activities. And next, I'm going to show you additional file or folder actions that you can do. So I'm just going to select a file and then right-click. Then you have a few options here. First is you can preview the file. Then you can also choose how you would want to open a file. Then here we have a few suggested applications. Then next is you can share, copy link, add to shortcut drive, and then move this file to another folder. You can also add this file to start And then once you do that, it will show up under the stored items or category. So the stored category is a convenient way to quickly access and organize your important files and folders. And then rename the file, view details, which I showed you earlier, manage caption checks, make a version, or you can also make another copy of this file. You can also download it or remove it. And then, if we're going to check additional actions within our folders, you will see that they have almost the same options. But here, you can change the color of your selected file. So by changing the color of a folder in Google Drive, you can visually distinguish and categorize your folders based on different criteria such as projects, departments, or file types. So it provides a visual aid to quickly locate and identify specific folders, enhancing organization and efficiency within your drive. And here on the left side, you can see here My Drive, and if you click on that, you will see folders that you owned. So it is where you can find and manage your personal folders and files. It serves as a main storage location for your content. And then next is the computer. Google Drive allows you to access your files and folders from any computer with an internet connection. So Google Drive also provides a feature called Google Drive Sync or Google Drive File Stream that allows you to sync your files and folders between your computer and the cloud. So this means that you can work with your files directly on your computer, and any changes you make will be automatically synced to Google Drive. And you can also use this to back up files and folders from your computer to the cloud. Next is Shared with Me. The Shared with Me section is where you can find files and folders that have been shared with you by others. So these items are not stored in your personal Google Drive, but rather in the drive of the person who shared them with you. This section in Google Drive provides a convenient way to access and collaborate on files and folders that others have shared with you. It allows for easy organization and interaction with shared content without cluttering your personal drive. Then the Recent, which displays the files and folders that you have accessed or modified recently. It provides a quick way to locate and revisit your recently worked on items. And then the Stored category and Spam. You can also find items that you deleted recently in trash. Then the Storage. So as I have said earlier, Google Drive offers storage space to store your files and folders in the cloud. So the amount of storage you get depends on the type of Google account you have and whether it is a free or paid account. So since my account is a free account, I have 15 gig of free storage. And that is shared across various Google services including my Gmail, Google Drive, and my Google Photos. So if you need additional storage beyond the free 15 gig, you can choose to subscribe to a paid storage plan through Google One. It is important to note that storage plans and pricing can change over time, so it's advisable to visit the official Google Drive or Google One website for most up-to-date information. And remember to regularly monitor your storage usage, especially if you are approaching to the limit of your free storage or you are considering upgrading to a paid plan. So that's it. That's everything you need to know with Google Drive. You can also try exploring this with your Google Drive app on your phone, and don't worry because it is basically just the same. If you think this video is helpful, please give this a thumbs up and mention a friend or family that needs to see this tutorial. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.